What's the meaning of computer science? Computer science. Computer science.
Computer science. Computer science. Computer science is the study of computers and computing systems. It involves designing, developing, and analyzing software and hardware components to solve complex problems and optimize system performance. The field covers a wide range of topics including algorithms, data structures, programming languages, artificial intelligence, computer networks, and more. Computer science has widespread applications in various industries such as healthcare, finance, entertainment, and education. It continues to be a rapidly evolving field with new technologies and innovations constantly emerging.